Can't dive into Counter-Strike 2 because matchmaking is not working and only showing a matchmaking failed error when playing it on your computer? Don't worry, in this video I'll show simple ways to fix this issue and get back to fragging. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the solutions. Solution 1. Reset your network configuration settings. To do this, first click on the search icon here and type in CMD. Next, right-click on command prompt, select Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now, here, type netsh winsock reset, then hit enter. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and hit enter. After that, type in ipconfig/release and hit enter. Now, type ipconfig/renew and press enter. Next, type in netsh int ip reset and hit enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, restart your computer and your router. After that, move on to the next step. Solution 2. Verify and repair CS2. To do this, first open up Steam. Then go to your library. After that, right-click on Counter-Strike 2 from the left side menu and select Properties. Next, click on Install Files from here. Now, click the Verify Integrity of Game Files button, and Steam would start verifying and repairing the game. Once it's done, follow the next step. Solution 3. End Steam's process. To do this, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager from the pop-up menu. Now, in the search bar here, type in Steam. Next, right-click on Steam 32-bit and select End Task from the context menu. After that, close the Task Manager and open up CS2. And you shouldn't face this issue anymore. So that's how you fix the matchmaking failed error or the matchmaking not working issue in Counter-Strike 2 on your computer. If the video helped you sort out the issue, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. As always, thanks a million for watching.